Audit Program module helps to configure your own audit type program with ease and flexibility to opt for tailor-fit audit type creation defining risk scoring and audit rating. It has the ability to configure controls or tests as per your need, along with standardized auditor remarks. To configure the audit type, click on Configure Audit button on the respective module. Steps involved in audit type creation involves provide audit type name and respective auditee type name tagged in the auditee master. For only general group, parent audit type can be created directly. However, in case of annexure group, create sub-audit group first, and then parent group is created mapping sub-audits to parent audit type. Once sub-audit is created, it will be listed on the landing screen with the parent audit type tagged as No. Then again, click on Configure Audit to create main audit type, that is parent audit follow same process followed in the begin screen. Click on Parent Audit Type and Sub-Audit Type. Under the Sub-Audit Type tab, select the sub-audit created earlier. All the checkpoint under the specific sub-audit will be listed below against respective checkpoint group. In case if any of the checkpoint is not required among the checkpoint group, then the user to disable the active tick option against the checkpoint. Risk involved while executing audit is defined in Evaluate module for all the risk level, i.e. low, medium, high, zero tolerance. It can be further explained as the multiple of marks scored during audit for each checkpoint, according to the allocated risk level and marks scored. Provide risk scoring, which gets multiplied with score of the checkpoints selected in the Define page and click Next. This page is optional and manage role to be used when any specific users to be defined at specific roles to be played. Else click on Cancel to proceed to Configure Column. In Configure Column of Issue Tracking, there are various checkboxes that need to be selected as per workflow requirement for an audit type. Click on Eliminate Auditee Sign-Off if you want to eliminate the auditee sign-off workflow of acceptance and rejection of the audit observations. Else, do not click anything. Selection Annexure Score for system to compute annexure score, which would get sum up to the total audit score at an audit type level. Select Annexure Sampling if you would want to allow sample-based audit annexure execution. If not selected 100%, annexure audit is expected by an auditor. Select Image Capture to be mandatory if digital evidence needs to be made mandatory at an audit execution level. Configure. Under Select Verifier, we can select role to whom we can assign the verification action basis the authority to review the issue resolution and sign off. Configure. We have two different TAT type selection against the issues identified by the auditors. Proposed by auditee. This option enables auditee to provide self-due date during auditee sign-off process. Based on audit type, this enables system to compute the due date from the audit submission date and based on the number of days updated each risk like low risk, medium risk, high risk, and zero tolerance. Configure Reminder. Add the predefined reminders configured in the respective module. Email Preference. Choose the predefined email preferences configured in the respective module. Finalize. Finalize column is where one can define the audit rating based on the audit achieved scores. Total score can be divided into different slabs and outcome to be provided as per organization's needs. Click on Submit and the parent audit is created with all the tailored needs. Parent audit configured will be listed in the Configure Audit Type landing page with the timestamp and the parent audit type tagged as Yes. Now parent audit configured can be scheduled for further audit activities. Thank you.